We got a 2021 Charger RT. Just came through, we deleted the mid mufflers. This is where we did all the work, chopped them off right here. This is the old one. I don't know where the other one is. No one needs that anyway. And he decided to leave on the stock tips and the rear mufflers. I will say this again, if you want to get a little bit more extra noise, you just come back, chop off those rear mufflers, and it'll make the car sound a lot more aggressive. We got Gio over here. He did all the welding, awesome fabricator. All right, let's see how she sounds.
Keep going.
That was the perfect spot. It was.